slip. In the ruts. One time I put my grandma's little car in the ditch right over here, trying to go home to light my stove and weather like this, right? We just did like 2 little 360s and we ended up in the ditch right there. It's pretty neat. Pretty neat, I must say. And then some friends of mine just came and lifted me up. That's the funniest thing. Grandma used to drive a little Pontiac radio story. Oh my god, so sore. My stomach hurts so bad. I just feel so sick about it. I need another daytime Neocitran. Thank God I ordered that Neocitran online. I'm gonna go home and do something in the shop. Yeah, Shannon shop. So I could have sold some of my stuff at this lady's place because they're related to Velociraptors. Did you know? I watched this thing today about this person with this like pet crow. Oh, that's slick. That is slick. Woo! For somebody out shoveling their driveway already. Oh yeah, it's Beverly. I like Beverly. Beverly's got a lot of gumption. There she is. I'm gonna shovel my driveway. Damn, she's Beverly right there. Tomorrow. I think I got everything I need now. Everything we need now. We got a little bottle of film. We got what? We got coffee cream. We got medicine. We're gonna go to the mailbox for the fresh cookies. That's alright. Yeah, I'm sorry to be disrespectful about Kevin Eaton. I guess I'm gonna have to take that part out, but I just don't like emails. I know a friend named Kevin. Like someone in the ditch there. Just gotta go slow on the roads like this, you know, just go slow and try not to turn too fast. I try not to turn at all, I just kind of let the truck like do its thing, you know? So yeah, I guess that was the last day of rock hounding, you guys, because now here we are. So get crafty, I guess, eh? Get really crafty. I make resin videos now, but hopefully I made enough for you today. My dog Mountain Arts. We're going on an adventure every day. If we didn't go on an adventure, well, we wouldn't be Mad Dog Mountain Arts if we didn't go every day. And like my friend Harvey says to me, if I didn't do something that put my life in danger every day, I would not be me. So, those things all together. And like, you know, some people live a long life, and some people do not. And I don't know. I think I've made it a long time so far. I can't believe though that this is like, now I gotta start getting older, and it's like the older half. I don't know what to do for the older half of my life. I don't know who I am as an elder. party. So I'm not like at parties where people are like, oh yeah, right? Or like, I don't know, I'm not really involved in any like community things, or I don't know. I don't know who I am as a little person. Caleb and I were thinking about having another baby, but I